Well, hello there, people of the internet. And today I'll be showing you how to make your own DIY turntable for recording like the one you're seeing right now. All you need is some cardboard, some glue, and a fidget spinner, and maybe 10 minutes of your time. Let's get started. So you can use any cardboard. I just took some cardboard from my old notebook. Now you need to cut them in small squares, about the size of bearings on the fidget spinner. And I recommend making 3 of them of the same size, because remember, the point of these cardboards is to be high enough above the base of the fidget spinner itself. You'll see what I mean. And you need to make 3 for each bearing for each side of the fidget spinner, which results in 9 of these cardboard squares. Make 9 of them, or 4 if you want. That's what I mean. The cardboard has to be higher than the center base of the fidget spinner. Now just take your cardboard pieces and start gluing them together. Don't be debil like I am and get your fingers stuck together, it hurts. So just take the cardboard pieces, glue them together one by one, and then apply generous amounts of glue to the fidget spinner. You don't want this to fall off. Don't waste any glue, just be generous. And apply some pressure to keep it on the fidget spinner, and do the exact same thing on all 3 sides, and maybe apply some more glue to the cardboard after gluing it to the fidget spinner. Just make sure it doesn't fall apart. And this is how it looked like. It's really simple and quick to make. It maybe 5-10 minutes, all depends how clumsy you are. And you can put a base on it, a piece of cardboard on it to put your thing on it. But really, it's up to you how you want to set it up. The most difficult thing is balancing it. And that's really the whole thing, that's how it goes. Again, it's really difficult to balance, especially when you put something big like this, like a laptop on it. But once you do, trust me, it's really cool and it spins very smooth. You could use a PC fan for this, however, it's not really as smooth as a fidget spinner. So again, just balance it well enough, you'll get a hang of it, and that's it, really. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do make sure to like and subscribe. If you do make your own, tweet me it on Twitter, there's a link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing ya. Peace.